Dude, what is the deal with this sauce? Why is it so popular?
Rick and Morty.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Yeah, I'd like to get a 10-piece McNugget and a bunch of the Szechuan sauce. Like, as much as you're allowed to give me. In 1998, they had this promotion for the Disney film Mulan, where they created a new sauce for the McNuggets called Szechuan sauce. And it's delicious. And then they got rid of it, and now it's gone. This is the only place we're going to be able to try it. It's in my memory.
Rick, you're doing this bit while your brain is melting.
Okay, all right.
He brought me this sauce, said I had to try it. That's right, it's the Szechuan, sauce, whatever, how you ever say it. Man, I can't say that word or read it. But he said I had to try it. He brought it all the way down from where he lives, so I figured there's only one real way to do this. I see everybody else getting it, dipping their little Frenchy fries in it, and, you know, giving a little taste here, giving a little taste there. Ugh. What's poppin', people? Popa Funk popping out the most popalicious video he's ever popped out for you guys. It is the day before ECCC. I am super excited. I've got more energy than a hyper little 4-year-old. I'm just so excited. Anyway, guys, Dennis is coming. My boy, he's got some really cool stuff for the channel. He's got some awesome stuff for me. And we're going to go camping out for ECC tomorrow. We're also going to do some custom Funko stuff tonight. We're going to make some videos. We're going to collab, eat some food, have a good time, hang out with you guys. So stick around, guys. He's on his way here. I think he's like 7 minutes out. So next time we turn on the camera, we'll be saying hey to Dennis. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get into this video. It's going to be awesome. What's up, bro? What is this? What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
How's it going? I just did a little intro thing.
Yeah, it was kind of a mess, but...
Holy smokes, dude.
This is your and your daughter's new spray glitter booth.
Hell yeah, dude. How'd you make these? You just freaking take a box and cut the top out, huh?
Yeah, cut it off. This is
That is dope.
And then this is for the top, just in case you're spraying and no overspray go anywhere, you know.
Just for the custom pops, you guys. You guys will get to see that real soon. I like that cup, too. That's smart, dude. And some pops, dude. Some coffee. Some pops. So, yeah, guys, Dennis is here. Super excited. I cannot wait till tomorrow. So, what's up, guys? We finally got everything out of the car. As you saw, it's a pretty good haul. Dennis brought me an awesome gift box, which I am super thankful for. We're going to go through that in just a second. He brought me some other cool stuff. One of the biggest things he brought me, I showed you, was the pop container thing that holds all the pops that you saw outside. I can't show you that, guys, because the camera's sitting on it right now because we're in the living room. And I don't have like a big tripod. I just have a little one. So it's sitting on that right now, guys, so I can't show you that. Let's get into the stuff he brought. He brought some really cool stuff. Let's get into the pops first. Let's check those out. Got a big old box here. This is from you guys too? You brought this too? Yeah. Let's get into this one first. Let's see what's in here. Oh shit, man. I saw this thing earlier. This thing is wicked cool. I don't know what it is, but it is super cool. It's really heavy, and I'm going to stick it in like maybe Jason's hands or something. I think it's like a bottle opener from like the Game of Thrones or something, but it's super cool. Put that on the table. Thank you, man. I appreciate you bringing all this stuff down for sure. We're gearing up for ECC, guys. I'm not really going to edit this video, so I apologize if it's a little grungy. But yeah, he brought all these cool mystery minis. Let me show these real quick. Dude, I love this one right here. This one's dope. This is the who is this? Werewolf. The werewolf guy. He's super cool. Wolfman. He doesn't want to stand up. We'll lay him down right here. This is the coolest one right here. I love this one. This is the Beetlejuice guy with like the stretched out face and the fingers for his eyeballs. Eyeballs for his fingers. That's cool. And then Elvira, which is super dope. Man, she's hot. I love Elvira. She is the queen of night. So we got Elvira, the Wolfman, which is really cool. Thank you, Dennis, for bringing these again. I appreciate it. This badass pin from Assassin's Creed. That's super cool. Check that out, guys. Super cool pin. I apologize if there's a glare. I've never really shot in the living room before, so this is kind of different for me and for you guys. There's a keychain. Awesome, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get into the pops, guys. I know that's what you're waiting for. These pops, some of these pops are freaking epic, man. I can't believe you brought these. We'll do the giveaway pop first. This one is going in the giveaway basket. As you guys know, is the Flock Bugs Bunny and the Faker, also donated by Dennis. He thought it'd be a good idea to throw in a Stan Lee for you guys. He really wants to see the channel hit 1,000 subs. He's a huge fan, He is a huge friend of mine, and he's an awesome guy. And so he wanted to throw this in there as well. So we got the Stan Lee going in the gift basket for the giveaway, guys. So that's really cool. ECC is tomorrow, so you know we're probably going to pick up some things for that. I know I want to throw a pop in there from ECC just because it's right around the corner. So we're going to throw in a pop from ECC as well. Just don't know which one it's going to be yet, so stay tuned for that. He brought the Jason Voorhees 8-bit, which is awesome. I have the purple masked one from NES version of this. Super cool pop. I couldn't find this one anywhere. I couldn't find the comment. I don't know why. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. The Crow. The Crow. Another horror pop. Man, I love this pop. Super dope, man. This is the Crow right here, man. How do you find all these, bro? Like, the horror pops seem like they're starting to make a comeback right now. We just got this one from Annie, so he didn't know that was in the gift basket she got me for, what was that, Valentine's Day? I think it was Valentine's Day. Our anniversary and Valentine's Day were like almost in the same day, so I couldn't remember. But she got me this one for Valentine's Day, so this one is going back to him. He's going to put that for a trade or something, whatever he wants to do. We got Billy from Saw. Man, I've been looking everywhere for this pop. I can't find it anywhere. I don't know where you found it. You kind of just stock up on these things a little bit. When you see them, you buy a couple for trading. So if you guys want to hook up a trade, chances are he's got it or know somebody that can get it. If you want to hit him up, I'll put some information in the link in the description below so that you can find him through Facebook, his email, or whatever. But he's an awesome guy to trade with. He gets some wicked cool pops. The Hellraiser, Pinhead. They should have definitely put Hellraiser on the box. I think since that they're doing some like really push the envelope kind of pops right now, like with the in a box, you know, pops. Maybe they should have put Hellraiser on the box. I think it'd be pretty cool. That's dope. Spaceland Zombie, dude. What? That is a freaking awesome pop. What horror collection isn't complete with the Spaceland Zombie? That is super sick. He's got the glasses on his thing there. That is awesome, man. Thank you very much, bro. Man, you hooked me up, dude. Every time Dennis comes to town, he always hooks it up. This pop right here, this is Scooby-Dum. He thought that I really needed this pop. I don't know why. I think it has to do with the eyes. We kind of simulate the same eye pattern there as the pop, maybe every once in a while. But yeah, guys, he brought some awesome pops. Thank you, man. Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it. If you guys stay tuned to the end of this video, we're going to talk about how to prep for ECC. It's coming up tomorrow. We've already gone out to the stores. We found some ECC pops early. We'll show you what they are in a few minutes. Stick around, guys. We got some more things to show you real quick, and then we're going to get into that. What else do we got, bud? Holy smokes. Something to put my pops on, man. Awesome, dude. I'm starting to run out of room where I keep my pops now, so I'm going to try to integrate this into the set as well and try to put some more pops here and then stack them on top or something. We'll definitely figure something out. So he's helped me out with not only pops, but pop storage. Thank you, brother. I don't know how you get your hands on all this cool stuff, but this is super awesome. What's on the back of yours, dude? Stranger Things? Oh, dope, man. He's got the Stranger Things. I got the, mine's kind of a mosh-up. I got Batman, Daryl, Deadpool. Who's that chick? I don't know. She's got a sweet dragon, though. Who knows who she is? If you know who she is, put it down in the comments below and go ahead and tell me I'm an idiot for not knowing. And I should know, but I don't know. If you do know, now you know, son. Isn't that a song? I think it is a song. Anyway, this isn't getting edited, so I really do apologize for the grunginess of it, or if we're rambling or whatever. This next box, guys, spoiler alert, no pun intended if you guys are on the Facebook group. This is some really cool stuff right here that we're going to do, some sick custom pops really soon. We've already messed around with it a little bit, doing some of the chromization of pops. We're doing glitter pops. So we're going to probably put that up. I'm going to try to get them up today and tomorrow. It's a lot of work to get the pops made and the video made and up. So I'm going to do my best, but look for it in the next couple days, guys. We're doing all glitter pop. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Tons of people out there are making glitter pops. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I haven't seen a video out there that shows you how to do it, so make sure you stay tuned for that, guys, and chroming these things out. Don't pay a huge amount of money for something that you can make yourself at home for a couple bucks. So stay tuned for that, guys. Like I said, we went out to, where did we go? Toys R Us. Toys R Us. And started talking to the guy like, hey man, ECC's tomorrow. We're super excited. You know, we're so excited we're just kind of doing a little pre-hunt. And that's another thing like I want to get into is talking about how to prepare for your ECC. I'm going to put up a screenshot right now This is all of the exclusives. These are the stores that they're shared with, so go ahead and check this out. Pause this video right now if you need to. So what you want to do is find out which pops you want the most, lock them down, write down what store they're at, and then find out which stores open first. By going onto your phone, you can just say, hey Google Best Buy, or Google Barnes & Noble in my area. It'll Google Barnes & Noble, it'll tell you the hours, it takes a couple seconds. Find out the hours of the stores that are selling the pops that you want to go to. Go there first thing in the morning. Try to get there an hour, maybe 2 hours early. What do you think? 2 hours early, a little pushing it?
Yeah, that's it.
Maybe an hour early. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some lines at most stores. Barnes & Noble tomorrow is the one that's opening up earliest for me. So I'm going to be at Barnes & Noble first thing tomorrow morning, probably 7:30 with my coffee, ready to go. Live streaming with you guys. So stay tuned for that as well. And they open before the mall does. The mall has 3 stores that are going to have exclusives shared with it. So I'm definitely going to hit up the mall after that. They open an hour after Barnes & Noble. So I've mapped out my plan to go to Barnes & Noble, get my flocked Care Bear. Then I'm going to shoot over from Barnes & Noble, run to the Fox Run Mall. Fox Run Mall opens at 10 and Barnes & Noble opens at 9. So I'm going to hit that, then I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to hit Target right after that. There's 3 stores at the mall that are selling the pops that I want, so I'm going to hit up my GameStop, I'm going to hit up my Hot Topic, and I'm going to hit up my FYE. Me and Dennis are going together. We're going to live stream it. You guys are going to be there with us. Make sure you stay tuned for that. We went to Toys R Us today. We went to all these stores today to talk to them, ask them about them, to kind of dig a little bit, do some research, you know. If you guys are serious about wanting to get a pop from a particular store that it's shared with, you should put in some research, you should put your time in. And it pays off. Why does it pay off? Because we went to Toys R Us and check this out. Went to Toys R Us, asked the guy about She-Hulk, and he's like, yeah, I just got him in today. Actually came in UPS a couple hours ago. I'm like, sweet. Can you sell them? He's like, yeah, I can sell them. So he sold us 2 of the She-Hulks. We found 12 of them. Some of them were really beat up, guys. So if you do want to get these pops and you want to get them in good shape, make sure you go early so that you have your choice of box and choice of pop that you pick up. Because, like I said, we noticed some damaged ones. I'll show you a couple pictures from where we went. I did not have my camera. I had my phone, so I took a couple pictures. Here they are. But yeah, we found She-Hulk early. I'm going to upload this video right now. Like I said, apologize for the grunginess, but I had to share this with you guys. Dennis is here. We got some good things coming tomorrow. So keep popping, guys. Stay safe. Be happy. And happy hunting, y'all. Yee!